So, Binild Hi-Fi, you can consider as one of the very first social innovation incubator. So, you want to trace that back to the mission of Saint John Baptist de La Salle, right? So, after whom DLSU, De La Salle University, is named, and DLSU is my alma mater. It's also part of a group of schools called the De La Salle Philippines, and among its members is the school, the parang the mothership of Binild Hi-Fi, the De La Salle College of Saint Binild. So if you go to the life of Saint John Baptist de La Salle, he's a very rich kid, if you want to say that, no. And in fact, you can trace some of the fashion brands in France until now to his family, no. But I think one of the things that what do you call it, the calling in his life was that he wanted to educate the poor people of France, kasi during that time, around the 1600s, you can only get an education if you had one-to-one tutor. So only the rich people could afford that.